This is my garage. It's got that Rust-Oleum Rock Solid finish. I put this on 2 years ago, and I got to tell you, I've been super happy with it. It was a super big pain in the butt, as I'm sure you're already aware, to clean everything. That was the hardest part. So we had to get all the stuff out, and as you can see, we got kids, we got stuff. It may not be as cluttered as some garages, but there's a lot of stuff in here. That was the hardest part though, just cleaning it. Once you clean it though, and this is not a video about cleaning it, the product itself, I have barely done anything to this over the last 2 years. I got it in October of 2022. This is the worst thing that's happened, and this is not the product. This is actually some sort of film that I can actually scrape this off, and I haven't gone to get a pressure washer to actually remove this, but this is not the product failing. This is the, I don't know what this is. So something has caused some discoloration there, but all it's going to take to get that up is some pressure washing. Over here, there's some brown spots from like dirt and stuff when it's rained. You know, up here in the front of the garage gets the most moisture just from natural elements and stuff. But as you go back here, I mean, I've got, I had to deal with cracks. You know, this is basically, my garage is in 4 giant pieces. This was not an issue when I painted this stuff down, and it has remained not an issue. I did get some extra chips, as you can see. I don't know if I really needed them or not. This thing will still get slippery when it's wet, but not terribly so. So the chips do their job just fine. You probably cannot see it on the camera, but I'm gonna get real close here. Yeah, you can. So you see these little like bumps, not where the chips are? My garage, I'm fairly confident that I did not hit this as hard as I should have with the acid, and with, like, I went and got muriatic acid to really just pound this and to get everything straightened out in my garage. But even so, there were still these little fibrous, almost like threads that remained. I went ahead and put the stuff down, as you can see, and it did fine anyway. So even some of these stories you hear as you Google around, you look on YouTube with people saying, oh, it peels up and stuff. Even with a non-perfect but really thorough job, mine has done well. Again, this is 2 years in. I got the 2.5 garage. I think I bought 2 of those to cover a 3-car garage. And you know, it was just enough. You don't need to skimp on it. Get one more thing than you think you're gonna need. Worth it in my opinion. Hope that's helpful for you. And when you're done in your garage, venturing into your kitchen and want a nice cup of coffee, why don't you check out my review of the best home coffee maker that you can buy right here.